Let's get started.
Alright, what is up guys? And we are back with the Fiesta. And today we are actually going to be doing probably the most useless mod you can do on the Fiesta STs, or the Focus ST as well. And that is a cold air intake, because the stock intakes on these cars are very effective at doing the job. And I have the upgraded Cobb panel filter in there, which I'm running on Dizzy Stage 1 tune. And we're going to be swapping it out for this Injen intake with a cone filter, strictly for the noise, because it's not going to make any extra power. If anything, it might make less, but it'll sound a lot cooler. So we're going to see how it goes with that Wish Motorsports blow-off valve extension, or blow-off plate, because it's not actually like a real blow-off valve. So we're going to see how that sounds with that blow-off valve. And if it doesn't sound that good, then we might have to switch it out for a different blow-off valve and see how that goes. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, we've already removed these clamps. I've already taken out the mass airflow sensor. We just got to remove this air box, and then this is literally just, I think, this one bolt, and then we have the clamp down at the bottom at the turbo, and then we're just going to pull all that off, and that should just pretty much come right out. And then after that, we just have to mount up the new intake and put the filter here where this airbox goes. So I gotta figure out how to get this airbox out.
Oh, the plumber's crack, or?
No, not the plumber's crack. Please avoid the plumber's crack at this current moment. As I reach into the abyss of this fucking car.
The abysmal.
The
abysmal. I'm trying not to get the crack in this shot.
Trying to adjust my pants while I'm fucking elbow deep in my car right now. Howdy, partner. Stop this. Stop this.
Don't worry, I didn't get the crack in it. That's a federal amount of crack.
Is it really?
No, it is not.
I was about to say.
No, you have a bunch of air bubbles.
Hey, swing that shit! Swing that shit!
Yeah! You know what else we're gonna love?
Huh.
What I just realized might have to happen.
Nice t-shirt.
Huh.
I'm thinking the headlights are gonna have to come out. The upper and lower cowl are gonna have to come out. The windshield wiper is gonna have to come out, so I can get that intake out from under here.
Oh, I should have brought your sweatshirt. Oh, I forgot you had that. I missed that thing. It's just on my couch.
Alright, let's get started. Hello.
In the angles, bro.
Why are you doing this to me? I don't know what I'm doing here, dude. I'm gonna be real, none of this makes any sense.
Wow.
I'm just gonna pull this out.
Leave it in. I was about to say, you can't even see anything.
Put this on there. Okay, I might have to loosen this up a little bit.
I'm looking at pictures. Exactly like what's on your leg.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Wait, what?
You missed a lot.
One of my friends, she texted me freaking out. She's like, I don't know what this is on my lip. And I'm like, does this dude that you're with, does he have cold sores or whatever? Because he could have gotten a cold sore. And she was like, no, he said he doesn't. And I know you get herpes. Looked up a picture.
What do you think cold sores are?
Herpes.
Yeah,
But
that's
It
herpes.
looks exactly like that.
Well, cold sores are herpes.
Is it like the same like genital?
No,
thing?
no. Okay, mouth herpes and general herpes are far different. Why are you?
let's get started.
Let's get retarded in here.
You can't say that on YouTube.
So, this tube also does the Macarena. Okay, so just like the original tube,
Hey.
same shape, just fucking, wow, you know? I'm very confused right now. Womp womp.
What the fuck?
So we just gotta feed this in. What? Somebody say Zoom. Oh fuck. Do I gotta get it underneath that, huh?
Ooh.
Oh yeah. You like the noise that made?
Hell yeah.
Ah. So where does... I get all this, but like, where does that go? I think so. It's a fucking awkward procedure. Put that on there. And then you bend it like that. Then I gotta put another V there. I don't know, why does shield gotta be stupid? Here.
Yeah.
Where'd that go? It's in there.
Where did it go? Nobody knows.
Like that. So I think.
He's still done?
No, now we have to. We should have figured out what size that was before we.
Before you put it in there?
I'm gonna go take a piss. Just gotta put in these. Put in the MEF sensor. To get that bullshit heat shield in. I'm tired of this project already.
The sun is officially down.
Oh. Having ourselves a little extravaganza as we get it in there. Cool.
Oh, I'm sorry, boys.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry, boys. Damn.
That shit right.
That shit, oh no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting. I was like, no reaction? Home stretch? Are you basically tightening everything down now?
Yeah, now I'm just tightening everything down, then I gotta toss on the filter and put together the rest of the engine bay. Alright.
Oh, my bad.
That battery life is terrible.
Yeah, 10%.
10%. Car, put back together. That's the final look. That's what the intake looks like. That's how it's supposed to be seated.
Nice.
Pain in the ass to get it, but let's go ahead and get it on this.
Go lower. There it is.
Okay, conclusion.
You don't look impressed.
No, I need a new blow-off valve. I need an actual blow-off valve, not some fucking plate that I bought off eBay. Okay, well, that's, I guess, tune in next time when we do a fucking blow-off valve.
That should be fun.
And then we get to have fun with the car.